Boelter is recorded on video ringing the Hoffmans' doorbell and knocking on the window multiple times before John Hoffman answers the door. After John opens the door, Boelter goes into the entryway, tells them he is a police officer, and asks about others in the home. While John, Yvette, and Hope are in the very small entryway, they realize he's wearing a mask. He can be heard telling them to show their hands. They successfully push him out of the house and shut the door. Boelter fires the gun at least 9 times through the front door, striking John and Yvette multiple times. Hope was on the floor at the time the shots were fired. After finding no one home at Bonner's residence and encountering a police officer while parked near State Senator Ann Rest's home, Boelter drove to the home of the Hoffmans. Former House Speaker Melissa's name, Hoffman's name, appears multiple times in Boelter's handwritten notes. She has a star next to her name. When Mark Hoffman answers the door, Boelter stands in the doorway. Melissa can be heard telling Mark to ask for this person's badge number, name, and jurisdiction. Boelter tells Mark he needs to, quote unquote, see his wife. He says he can't see her through the window and that he needs her to come down, presumably from the stairs. Boelter tells the Hoffmans that he is a Maple Grove police officer. At approximately the same time, the Brooklyn Park police arrive in front of the Hoffman home. Boelter then fires multiple shots at Mark while running toward him and into the house. After entering the house, Boelter fires multiple shots at Melissa Hoffman. In Minnesota, it is a crime to willfully inflict an act of cruelty on a companion animal. If that act results in great bodily harm or death, the crime is a felony. Gilbert was the Hoffmans' beloved dog. Gilbert was barking when Mark opens the door, but when Mark says, "Gilbert, stay," Gilbert stops barking and is quiet. The evidence shows that Boelter intentionally shot Gilbert. Boelter shot Gilbert at the foot of the stairs on the main floor. Gilbert was not standing between Boelter and Mark. Gunshots are followed by sounds from Gilbert, who remains on the floor until he is carried out by law enforcement. He was partially paralyzed. Later, a decision was made to humanely euthanize Gilbert when a veterinarian determined that he would have no quality of life. Boelter willfully shot Gilbert, an act of cruelty that led to yet another loss for the Hoffmans' grieving family. Under our prosecution, he will be held accountable for this compounding harm.